Hey Freedom Stackers, Freedom Stacker here. Well, it's week 1 of the Stack Beast Mode Challenge, and this year we're adding $100 a week. Hey Freedom Stackers, Freedom Stacker here. Let me start by saying I'm not a financial advisor. Do not take anything that I say in this video or any of my other videos as financial advice. This is what I'm doing. This is what I am inviting you to join me in doing so that we all can stack more silver and gold. Well, you made it. It's week 1 of the Stack Beast Mode Challenge, and this year we're adding $100 a week to be able to add 26 Texas Precious Metal rounds, 48 American Silver Eagles, 12 1/10 ounce American Gold Eagles in a year's time. And you've made it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, and this is your first video that you're seeing on this topic, go back and check out this playlist from the beginning, because this is a step-by-step weekly walkthrough in order to be able to stack more silver and gold in 2021. You can save your money in a shoebox or an envelope, or me myself this year, I'm saving mine in my One Gold account. If you don't have a One Gold account and you want to open one, go ahead and use the link in any of my videos. Hey Freedom Stackers, Freedom Stacker here. Well, it's week 1 of Stack Beast Mode Challenge, and this year we're adding our money into our One Gold account. So we'll go to Fund, we'll go to Deposit, we'll go $100, because this year we're going to be adding $100 a week. Continue, confirm. Funds deposited. Sweet. So we have a $100 cash balance. And there goes an email confirmation that the money has been deposited. Instead of alternating between gold and silver each month, this year, each month we're going to be getting gold and silver. Going to be getting my 4 American Silver Eagles for my Monster Box challenge, and I'm also going to be picking up a 1/10 ounce American Gold Eagle every month for my Monster Box challenge this year. On top of that, I will be adding 2 2021 Texas Precious Metal rounds every month. Only you can make your stacking goals your stacking realities. For more stacking and collecting fun like this, check out this playlist. Hit that thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please do. Hit that bell. That way you'll know when my new videos come out. Hit me up through email, on Facebook or Instagram, link in my About page. And as always, keep stacking, and I'll see you in the next one.